Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be testing out the Real Technique sponges. Just because I normally use only the orange one here and it's been a few months, so I need to replace that. And yeah, you should replace your beauty sponge every 3 months because it can get dirty and bacteria and everything is not going to be good for your skin. So out of curiosity, I saw this package and I have never used the purple one or the pink one. So I just want to see if they're necessary or if it's not necessary. You know what I mean. So before we start our video today, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I typically upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I already primed my face with Olay Luminous Whip. I'm not sure if this does anything to my skin, but it smells amazing and it feels nice on my skin like moisturizer. So on the back of the box say, the orange one is Miracle Complexion Sponge, shaped to create the perfect base and build coverage where needed. Use damp for a dewy glow or dry for a full coverage. The purple one, which is this small one, is Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges. These little miracles help sweep away your makeup misshapes with soft, flexible foam that helps pick up any type of makeup, especially around the eyes. Use them to blend harsh lines or dry to pick up makeup. And the last one is the pink one is Miracle Sculpting Sponge. Create shadows or highlight your favorite facial features. Use damp for a dewy glow. Okay, time for the foundation. In today's video, I'm going to be using Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. And I'm going to mix with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r because this is the first one I ever bought and I bought it in wrong shade. And this one, they matched me and it was a little darker than my skin, so I forgot to correct my mouth, so here we are. Now let's go into the foundation. So I already have my base on. I put it on off camera because I feel like you don't need to see that because I do that every day. But I use my Fenty Beauty mixed with Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation because this one is too dark and this one is too light. But I do have this one that matches me better. Cannot really see different. Now it's time for concealer. And I noticed that this is softer than this, which is nice. So for concealer today, I will be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. So I will be using this guy for my concealer. Just gonna use it for my forehead. I love the fact that this is so small that it just go on my mouth area and on the side of my nose because I always struggle to get on that area without like go over where I don't want it. So now I'm gonna set my face using the same sponge as my foundation. And then I will use this little guy to set my mouth. And time for contouring. I normally don't do the cream contour, but for the sake of this video, I will do cream contour. And today I will be using the NYX Wonder Stick. This is in shade Deep. So So now I will go with this guy, and I will try to use the small tips on my nose. My nose looks really snatched. I do like it. I think the rest just like okay. So my final thought, I think this is absolutely a must-have unless you don't like beauty sponge. So that's totally fine. And this, I totally like it. I think it's really great and it's soft and like you can use it to touch up and go to small areas like the mouth and like the side of the nose. And for this, I don't think it does anything much different because I feel like you can just get a job done with this, and this. So I think this is not necessary. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching it. And if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video in the future. I love you guys so much, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.